Hello and welcome back to another video from the Luxygen world of billionaires, luxury, and mega projects. In today's video, we will take an exclusive look at the 7 best metaverse stocks to watch out for this 2022. What are metaverse stocks and how do they work? The metaverse is a virtual world in which users interact with one another and with the virtual environment through avatars. Business, social, or gaming interactions are all possible. Metaverse stocks cover a wide range of topics. Some are pure plays, or companies that just deal with the metaverse. Others are software firms that are currently profitable but could only benefit from a new revenue stream. Metaverse stocks can also be hardware firms. The metaverse necessitates the usage of augmented reality, or AR, or virtual reality, VR headsets in many cases. Several growth businesses benefit from the metaverse movement, while others are already members of the big tech universe with historic histories. In 2021, metaverse stocks were uneven, with some outperforming the S&P 500 and others underperforming. Nvidia was the top winner in calendar 2021 with a gain of almost 125%. After being hammered by whistleblower testimony and other issues, Meta Platforms FB, previously Facebook, increased only by 23%. Also worth noting is that hot growth names like Roblox, Unity Software, and Matterport, or MTTR, were up significantly in late 2021 but sank significantly in 2022. Growth stocks have fallen out of favor due to macroeconomic conditions. Therefore, selling pressure has remained in 2022. Their performance in the new year is graphed below. Number 7. Roblox. In the years 2020 and 2021, Roblox was a significant story. During the pandemic, both user and revenue growth soared. Roblox is a free online metaverse gaming platform that allows users to play and make games. The majority of the company's revenue comes from in-game Robux, which lets customers to customize their experience. Roblox must demonstrate that it is more than just a pandemic stock by continuing to build its user base and translating this to profits. Its income has been constantly expanding, but this hasn't converted into operating profitability. The company's operations generate a lot of cash. In Q3 2021, there were also some promising findings. The number of daily active users, or DAUs, has risen to 47.3 million. When compared to the 19.1 million in Q4 2019, this is a massive figure. The 4 quarters of 2019 was the last before the pandemic in the United States. The number of hours users were engaged in increased by 28% year over year in Q3. The valuation is a major issue. Even after the pandemic sales bump and the recent share price collapse, the stock trades at over 20 times sales. Growth stocks are currently suffering from difficult macroeconomic conditions, and Roblox could continue to decline. Number 6. Unity Software. Unity Software is a platform that allows developers to create 2D and 3D content for a variety of devices, including smartphones, PCs, and AR and VR systems. The beauty of Unity is that the content you generate with it can be used on a variety of platforms. Unity's promise extends far beyond gaming. The stock of Unity skyrocketed in 2021, but it has since plummeted from its heights. It is currently trading at a discount of more than 40% to its 52-week high of $210. Unity has a strong gross margin, which was 79% in Q2 2021 and 78% in Q3 2021, respectively. In addition, the company's revenue has been steadily increasing. After expanding by almost 48% year over year in Q2 2021, Revenue increased by 43% in Q3 2021. Unity is currently trading at more than 30 times forecast sales, implying that, like Roblox, selling pressure may persist in the short term. Number 5. Nvidia. Nvidia is a metaverse picks and shovels game. Its chips will be utilized to power the resulting metaverse platforms. The company also used CES to announce the free availability of their Omniverse software, which serves as the plumbing for the creation of metaverses. Nvidia is much more than a stock in the metaverse. The corporation is a tremendously profitable behemoth that had a fantastic year in 2021. It is presently trading at a discount of almost 20% to its 52-week high. Revenue for fiscal Q3 totaled $7.1 billion, up to 50% from the same quarter in 2020. The operating income was $2.7 billion. In recent years, revenue growth has risen dramatically, attracting the attention of investors. The stock presently has a forward price-to-sales ratio of over 26% and a non-GAAP forward price-to-earnings ratio of 65%. Number 4. Matterport. Another intriguing metaverse experiment is Matterport. This business converts tangible assets into digital files. After then, the digitalization might be used for design, operations, or other types of visualization. Among the industries that profit are real estate, retail, hotel, and construction. The company has 439,000 users and annualized sales of $111 million. The stock hit a high of nearly $37 in late 2021, but it now trades at a 58% discount to that high. The company became public via a SPAC merger in July 2021, and caution is advised. Number 3. Meta Platform. Meta is so committed to the metaverse that it renamed itself from Facebook earlier this year. Meta argues that the natural evolution of social media is toward the metaverse. To this aim, it has made Oculus VR headsets available, including the Rift and Quest lines, and is planning many more. In 2021, Meta was embroiled in scandal after a whistleblower spoke before Congress. The stock suffered a setback, but it still ended the year on a positive note. Despite the hullabaloo, Meta's revenues and operating profitability were strong in 2021, outpacing those of 2020. Number 2. Apple. Apple, or AAPL, is another corporation that is looking to the metaverse to improve on its already stellar performance. According to rumors, the corporation plans to release its AR/VR headgear in 2022, with a lighter, slimmer improvement following in 2024. Given the company's 1 billion iPhone users as its primary customer base, the potential is enormous. The prospect of a new cash source to complement the iPhone, Mac, and iPad has investors drooling, and the company's valuation has briefly surpassed $3 trillion. Apple's fiscal year 2021 earnings were outstanding. Revenues increased by 33% to $365.8 billion, while operating income increased by 64% to $108.9 billion. Similarly, diluted EPS increased by 71% to $5.61. Because of the company's aggressive share repurchase program, EPS grew faster than normal revenue. The corporation purchased back $85 billion in stock in fiscal 2021, which is about 3% of the current market cap, as seen below. A $0.22 quarterly dividend is also paid by the corporation. The buybacks are beneficial since they reduce the number of outstanding shares of the company, allowing EPS to rise faster. They also serve a tax-deferred capital return to shareholders. Due to market expectations for the future year and the new product introduction, Apple's current forward price-to-earning ratio of 30 is higher than historical averages. Some believe it is overrated, but I would not bet against this stock or firm. Number 1. Microsoft. Microsoft intends to leverage the metaverse to assist enterprises in achieving commercial success. Microsoft Mesh for Teams promises to change the way virtual meetings are now done by moving them from the video camera to the metaverse. With this program, users can use AR/VR technology to conduct meetings, give presentations, walkthroughs, and perform a variety of other collaborative tasks. This is more important than ever as the work from anywhere concept takes traction. Companies must be able to maintain a strong business culture and collaborative team functions even when operating from a distance. Overall, Microsoft had a great year in 2021, and I think it will be the best stock on this list in 2022. Microsoft's revenue increased by 18% in fiscal 2021, reaching $168 billion. Operating income climbed by 32% to $70 billion, thanks to tremendous and continuing margins, as indicated in the chart below. Microsoft's operating EBITDA margins are both well above 40%, demonstrating the strength of the software as a service or SaaS model and the company's excellent management. With a forward price-to-earning rate of 33%, Microsoft stock is currently trading 10% below its 52-week high. Like Apple, the corporation buys back stock in large quantities, which benefits shareholders and reduces the number of shares outstanding. Microsoft also pays a quarterly dividend of 62 cents, which is quite safe. The metaverse potential is merely icing on the cake for Microsoft. Going into 2022, the company is on fire, and this stock will continue to reward long-term investors handsomely for many years to come. Microsoft, in my opinion, is the best bet for 2022, based on the whole package of improving margins, growth, cash flow, decreased risk, and capital return to shareholders. Is investing in metaverse stocks a good idea? There will be winners and losers, as in any other industry, as well as a lot of movement along the road. Some of the stocks featured here, such as Microsoft, have little metaverse exposure and huge prices. Long-term dangers are substantially lower with these. Others, such as Roblox, are still relatively new and pose a bigger danger due to their high ceilings. When considering a metaverse bet, an investor should think about the risk tolerance and long-term portfolio goals. In the short run, the mega caps may have the upper hand until the dust settles on growth stock. What do you think of investing in metaverse stock? Do you think that will be a good investment or not? Where do you think the future will lead us now that metaverse technology is being developed? Please let us know by commenting your ideas down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope that you learned a little bit more about the top 7 metaverse stocks to watch out for this 2022. Please join us again for another Luxygen video. To stay updated on our newest videos and content, please hit the like button, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to give you more videos in the future. Until then, take care and see you in the next Luxygen video.